Hello, I hope you're all having a good day. Bought some coins on the auction again, worth just $5. I won it. Actually, I'm the only one who bid, and we're gonna open it. Uh, these are mixed English coins, and we'll see what's inside. Nicely wrapped with bubble. Okay. Hope it's a good one. We'll see. Or better have silver coins in here. Don't know, say. What do we have here? We have 5 new pence. These are all UK or British coins. So this is 1968 Queen Elizabeth new pence. 5 new pence. Okay. Oh, well, it's an old one, but it is 1875 1 penny. Wow, very old, and you can still see the lighthouse and the sail ship, and it's can see this one, but with this era it will be Queen Victoria. It's another worn Queen Victoria penny, and it's 1867, I think. Very worn. Another penny from 1884, and again you can still see the lighthouse and the sail and the ship on the sides. Pretty worn. Now this is new pence, 10 new pence, and it's from 1968. I think it's a copper nickel coin. This is from 1906, another 1 penny with King Edward VII. Pretty old, but decent condition. This one is okay, 1908, and this will be 3 pence. King Edward VII, and yeah, for your information, this is a silver coin, and they don't make a lot of this as well. Well, it's 112 years old. Nice. Now this is King George VI. Very nice patina. It's from 1938. Nice coin for the age. This one. This is a newer one, I think. This is a 1 half new penny. It's from 1977. Nice looking coin. About this one, the Queen Elizabeth, and it's 6 pence, 1958. It is not silver. I think the silver ones are from 47 below or 46 below. 1946 below. Yeah, it's damaged. It's a half penny from 1938 with the golden hind. That's the ship. That's when they remove the sitting Britannia, and it's King George VI. This one is half penny, 1936, nice condition. It's King George V. Nice coin. This is 1948, 1 shilling. Wow, beautiful. Different design. And it's King George VI. This one is 1860s, 1860 something. Just can't read it, but it's a half penny. Yep, Queen Victoria. This coin is kind of new, and this is a new penny from 1978. Two new pence from 1979. Wow. This one, it's a nice looking one. Oops, sorry. It's 20 pence. Queen Elizabeth. Nice one. It's from 1982. It's a newer one. Now it's another Queen Elizabeth, and it's a half crown. It's 1960. Nice looking coin. Nice luster. Now this one is 6 pence from 1928, and this is a silver coin. This is King George V. Nice. I had 2 silver coins now. Good. And the last one is, of course, they love making this as a necklace. It's King George V, and it's a 1921 parting. They do love making a necklace out of coins. Nice one. Right, here we go. We got oops. There you go. $5 for all of this, with 2 silver coin, and most of it are in good condition. It is certainly more worth than $5. Wow. Thank you, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye.